like emotive labelling of products, so putting like sayings on products, signs. I want to have a few different products, but it's basically just like emotion provoking, and like you see a sign and you read it and makes you have a good day, things like that that just inspire people and, you know, make waiting time fun for them, I guess.
For people who have either diabetes or need an EpiPen or have asthma, so that when they do athletics they can have their medication on them readily without using a pocket. So maybe a strap around their arm or something that they can put on their pants.
My design project for Year 12 is an entertaining, educational, global awareness film for kids.
What I'm doing for my D&T major work is a skate ramp, and it's going to be really portable and useful to the environment.
Careful. Okay, let's just position it down here. Okay, now tell me, where are you up to?
Alright, well, after this dries, I'm just going to get some pieces of wood. That's going to go there, there and there, pine wood. And then it's just going to go straight across onto the other side, the other like duplicate of this, so it just gives it a whole frame and it just sits there.
Okay,
and then I can start assembling it.
Okay, the next step we've got to do is cut the pieces of pine wood out. Okay, that looks terrific. Okay, bring over that piece that we just cut. Right, that'll go here when we get the proper piece. This is only a practice. Now remember, you're going to have to glue that down and probably screw it down as well to just give it a little bit of extra strength.
Yeah.
Hi Dara. Hi Jordan. How are we?
Hello Dara. Jordan, I think we'll start with you.
Okay.
What have you completed since I was here last?
Well, I'm up to the stage where I'm really just starting to, you know, I've done all my sketches of what I like things I've wanted to achieve and what I ultimately want the end result to be. And I've just noticed that it's just been a real ongoing evaluation and a lot of drawings.
Now, in terms of wrapping your elastic around the puffer, you said you'd put some tension on that by using Velcro tabs and a clip. What sort of clip were you looking at?
A plastic clip, which will be, it'll almost be sewn into the Velcro.
Just use some sketches to show why the other ones didn't work as well as the one you finally decided on.
Okay.
Well, I'm just getting my quotes together and how like I'd want to put them on, for instance the upside down on the dishwashing bottle and all that. Like I want them to be different in how they're displayed, sort of thing. So
no,
I've
that's
just
very quirky. I like that idea.
Yeah. So I've just got them like upside down. That's one of the sketches. The one I did for the iPhone, that was for our last assessment, but I still want to include it in my folio. So yeah, just getting the quotes and.
And in terms of the language, you've got your quotes all sorted out now, or have you still
I've
got
got
a list
most
to choose
of them,
from?
but they're not all quotes. Some of them are definitions.
Right.
Just because I liked this one, like the definition of mother I found was a quality or condition that gives rise to another.
Yes.
And I thought like me wanting to have them be really inspiring, I thought that was a really good one.
It is, and it's innovative, and that's the key to success for your project, which just got to be different.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
And you're doing very well with that angle too on your work.
Thanks.
Hi Angus, how are you going?
Good, how are you?
Nice to see you again.
Me too. Just working on my script, just making the
Yeah.
final draft.
And what else have you been up to?
I'm in the middle of my storyboard at the moment,
Yeah.
just drawing the last few pages of that for the last few scenes.
Yeah.
I've been filming on my camera some footage of me making up the camera sets, like pre-production.
Yeah. So you've been doing that?
Yep.
Making all the dollies and everything?
Yeah, stuff like that. And costume, I'm getting my costume embroidered this afternoon.
Okay. That's the logo?
Yep.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So embroidered or screen printed?
Oh, screen printed. So yeah, because it's cheaper and it's something to do with the material. But it's going to be a bit larger than that.
Yeah, you don't want them to wreck your suit though.
Yeah. Cut! Gotta wait till the plane passes, boys and ladies. Action! Hot fire!
Whoa, Rocco, seems to be working really good.
Works
you happy
perfectly.
with it?
Yeah, it's smooth and strong.
It obviously works and it looks terrific. Now, what have you learned from it?
I learned how to cut wood, how to drill, how to screw, everything I need. I've got some friends coming over later on. We're going to have some fun in it.
Right.
And I think Tony Hawk might want to borrow it. Better put my stuff, keep it safe. I think my ramp's successful because it works perfectly, it's smooth. I think this summer will be a huge hit with all my friends.
This is my final product for my major design project, and basically it's a pouch that you can use for medical devices, portable medical devices when you're out and about. And so basically you open it up like so with the Velcro tabs, and you put your medical device in.
And it fits the other range of products you talked about in your brief?
Yep, it does. And so you close it, and it's got a little clip on the back which clips onto your pants like so. And off you go.
I finished my sayings and quotes to go on my inspirational packaging. Those are some of my boxes that I've done. And this one's the dishwashing liquid bottle that I put on upside down.
Yes.
So when I use it, squeezing it out, it's upside down, and you read it as you use it.
Okay. Now seeing you use it like that, I can see clearly why you chose to put it upside down. It works very effectively. Is it a quote you chose specifically for that product?
The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. It's going to inspire someone when they're doing the washing up.
Is there a reason why you chose happiness? It's not something I would normally associate with washing up.
Well, I thought environmental campaign, happy, inspire people. I believe my product will be successful because I've chosen interesting quotes and sayings to go on my packaging and labelling, and I hope to see it in the supermarket one day.
Let's go.
Cause some havoc. Create global warming.
What about Green Man?
Kill him.
Yes, I'm really proud of how Green Man turned out, and I feel a real sense of achievement that I've got a film that I can put up onto the screen now.
Wow, you did it.
Yeah, how'd you like
It's fantastic. I think like all that effort you've done with all the pre-production, all the editing you did, all the filming, it was a lot of work.
Yeah, it was. And I started like almost 2 years ago, just developing the concept. It's been a long process.
Well, your folio and all your documentation was fantastic, and we can see from this it's brilliant.
Yeah.
So an Oscar down the track.
Yeah, maybe. Hopefully. Yeah.
Congratulations to all our teachers and students for completing their creative journey through our Design and Technology course this year.